What's up, Ryan? Good morning. How you doing, bro? What's up, Monster? Hello, everyone. I'm just gonna fix up my setup. Yo, what's up, devs? I'm gonna call you Dev. Dev Son Karks. Okay, let's see. How you doing? I'm doing great, bro. I just studied. And yeah. Done for today, so now it's just trading. Good morning. Good morning, Musan. Everything's good. Looking for another green day. Awesome. Nice. I hope you get a green day, bro. Let's see if there's some news. Okay, we got some news at 4 o'clock. All right. Let me just fix this. We shift it lower. Bearish. Just do some pre-marking fast because it won't be so much. By the way, where are we now? 25,750. Oh my god. Okay, we're up here. Here's some buy aggression. Pretty obvious. Let's make it fatter. That's right. Okay, let's look for just some sell aggression and then that's it. That's my pre-market. All the way up here, most significant sell aggression. We also have that's it. Good afternoon, Alex. Nice to see you, bro. 10 minutes to market open. Okay. Looks good. Move this. Let's see some pre-market. So what the fuck? Yeah, that's it. W man's Kosovo is Serbia. I don't know the history behind that. That problem they had, but yeah. Yo, what's up, Peng? Dinim X. I don't know about the history behind it. I heard about it, but I haven't like. Yeah. Did you catch that reversal? No. I just opened the chart right now. Where are we? 25,730 down here. I'm looking at this low volume node right now. This. But market want to rebalance to this. To be honest, I stand with Kosovo, Muslim brother, but Serbia is gone. Alright. What is your bias for the day and why? Okay, we got the rebalance. Damn. Okay, never mind. We shifted lower. As we all can see. This was yesterday. No, my bad. This was yesterday. And the day before that was here up here. So we shifted lower, obviously bearish. However, we are now up here in this zone. If you look at the right side, 25,700 is the price. So just around here. We shifted lower. Here is a rejection zone. And we also have, these are my top rejection zones for today. But I'm bearish as of now. First win of the day, let's go to, okay, nice, bro. What, to the low volume no fill? You took this trade? To fill this gap? Could have been a good trade actually. Like, look at this. Here you have another try. Retest here. Yeah. This could have been a good trade. 1 to 3. Morning, Pablo. Let's hope bottom step don't screw you over to bed. Yeah. I've given up on top step. It's fine, bro. I don't really care anymore. No, it was only based on deep trade. Okay. But did you see? Look where price reacted perfectly. Okay, now it's showing more low volume nodes. What the fuck? Okay. My bad. Now. Look where price perfectly reacted. Low volume node. Rebalance of this, and now let's see what happens. Exact position that you marked. Okay, nice trade, bro. How you find bias? Can you show me? Simple. We shifted lower, so this is today. Or this was yesterday. The day prior to this, the value was up here. But now we shifted lower in value. Hence, I'm bearish. And the thing is, look where we rejected. Value area high on composition profile. We also technically rejected, but I feel like this is the real rejection. And we also rejected from where the move started. So this is the, let me see. No, my bad. Let me just do this. For us to flip fully bullish, we have to reject trade above this, accept value above this zone from that day. Oh my god, okay. I'm bearish. That's all. But have in mind, look where POC is. Composition profile. And it's Friday. And usually the big players take profits on Friday, so yeah, I don't know. Let's see. According to statistics, we usually hit POCs, the composition profile, on Fridays. I don't know if there was something like that Fabio said on his bootcamp, but I'm just something about that. 4 minutes. So let's see. I don't know. I have no bias. I'm gonna react to what I see. I'm not trying to predict. If we trade below this, then I'm going trend mode. So if we accept below this zone and we fall, then I'm bearish even more. So what we can do, if we don't know what to do like this, just mark out most significant delta aggression level here. That's it actually. We have some levels above, but I think it's a ranging day accumulation, continue from yesterday, ranging or slowly drift up. Yeah, let's see. I have no idea. That's the thing. We just react to what we see. Now we can have some speculations, but okay, I'm just gonna check the sound. Let me know, guys, if the music is too loud. Okay, it seems good. $15, 22 minutes more. Okay, dealing range. Clearly, look at this consolidation. Broke above. If you want the sniper level, but this is, like Fabio says, it's here. And we also have POC. So if price comes down here, could be an entry. This would be 25,640. Where are we then? Okay, it's basically POC on the... Yeah, okay. Is there a way to put a global cursor on Deepchart? It would be easy to look at for us right now. I don't know why. Let me see. I have in Streamlabs, I pressed so you guys can see my cursor, but for some reason it doesn't show. So in the settings, capture cursor, and it doesn't show. Yeah, there is global. Left side chart indicate what this is. Volume profiles, daily volume profiles. Yes, there is a global. I can use this. Maybe I can change the settings of it so you guys see it better. Now the real question is how. Okay. Okay, shit. Okay, maybe like this. Use the one. Do you guys want this one? Let's see, why isn't it? It is global cursor. You have pointer, hand, and then you have crosshair. That one. Now you guys see right. Oh, it's not applying to the other one. It is global. That way that we see where below the cross. This one. So it looks like basically like a fish hook below the cross. Now I have it selected. Okay, global. You mean so we can see it on all charts? Okay, okay. Now I get what you mean. All right, all right. Okay, let me change this a little so it's not so fucking big. Okay, now okay. All right. Now you guys can see. I hope. Yeah, okay, you can see. Market open. This is big zones. There. Guess this could have been an end. You know what? I'm gonna wait a little. Wait, let me fix one thing. 1 second, guys. All right. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's some. Okay, nice. Usually, first minutes, a lot of shit happens, so I'm gonna wait. Can you open the 5-minute time frame on the right side for a moment, please? Want to know the swing point low you took for volume profile. Okay, sure, bro. So this low 16, so that would be 10 a.m. on the dot to like, but just the consolidation area is, it doesn't matter so much time, but yeah, I want all of this information, not this leg. You can also take this, same thing, you see, it's the same value. Okay, back to 40. This sniper zone. Okay, it touched perfectly. But yeah, let's see. Thanks, no worries. Okay. Value area high. Trapped sellers, buyers. Okay, we invalidate this like it was nothing. Price came up too fast, so this would invalidate this. I want to see where sellers might step in, so I take it from this to this to see. Here we have some reload levels for the buyers. We're interested here. which in turn, if we broke like we did here, then it becomes resistance. But if we break above, support. It's a simple way to think about it. Okay, and where might sellers step in? We also have some low volume nodes up here. I don't see any big seller. Is this all? Okay. Let's see. Trap buyer. Okay. Push above. Maybe a retest. Fill the gap. Here we have a gap. Little gap down here. 49.75. I'm looking at this gap right now. This is big move. Oi. Hope somebody catch that. I didn't find an entry. Could have been an entry on a stop buy above here. Then it would have been a great trade, to be honest. Something like this. And I want the 3. Yeah. I catch it. Nice, bro. Where did you enter from? I wanted maybe a retest on this level. We did not get it. Oh, shit. Look, we are really up high now. Sell aggression, buy aggression, sell aggression. Here's the fight. Who is winning? Here's the fight. Seller seems to win. No? Oi, they're defending. A little bit above the low. Okay. Nice, man. I'm watching this gap, but it's not the same if it's not in the momentum, but I just want to see what happens. Okay, here we have the fight. Super clear. Who is winning it? If we push above here, I think this guy have to cover and we can go to the dot. Look where it tested. I haven't got any move yet. Too fast. Yeah. No stress. We just started. 10 minutes in. And we have news in 20 minutes, to be honest. So I don't know. Maybe safest call is to sellers winning. Nothing happened. Oi. Is this a gap? I can't. Okay. No. Sellers are pushing. Let's see if these sellers get shit on. Are they reacting from something specifically? Here is the buy aggression. So in this zone. There's no news, bro. Wait, what? Isn't it? I see news 4 o'clock. Consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. There is news. Yo, if we break this, I got this level from the cell aggression, right? From the big volume profile. 58,800. Wait. Where is Pok? Pok is up here. Ooh, if we break this, I'm looking for something up here to Pok. Where did I get that level from? Oh, okay. I got it from here. Okay, yeah. Last line of defense. If we break above this, I'm looking at this poke. There's very light news. I like how it looked to the dot. Holy shit. Reaction. Bah, move down. It's a red folder. Yeah, I saw it also. It's a red folder. Okay, while this is battling out, let's see. No entry here. Here was, I don't know, this is like catching a knife. Sellers get shit on here. Retest here. Buyers are not pushing. These are losing. Retest of this zone. Also an entry point, but I want to see this break. I'm not gonna be in the middle of it. And we are at value area high on the current profile and on yesterday's profile. So we are expensive. So a lot of stuff. Trap sellers. Could this be a good buy? Will they defend here? Or will sellers push lower? Push lower. Yeah, this is a range now. We're just chopping. 1,700 USD. Oi, dobrodosh. Very good, bro. Well done. Retest of this level. Let's see, to the tick. Oh, shit. Look, to the tick here, to the tick here. Can you show me your deep trade setting? Just take a photo. You guys can see I have 40 minimum 40 contracts and aggregated trade. That's all. I don't think I can put in picture here. But 40 contracts as filter minimum and aggregated trades. That's all. Nothing more. And the rest is just plotting. That's like design, how you want it to look. I also have 40 trades, but do you have aggregated trades? Question, please, in general, if I have a key level and want to long from, do you wait for price to show confirmation on the last candle, which inform, or you wait to the area to be? If you have a zone, you wait for this. One side losing, one side winning. So buyers, if they enter here, that's your confirmation. That's what Fabio uses. Just that. Or you wait to left side area. Nah, you will maybe miss the move. This is like narrative only. It's like, okay, we are now in, say, value area high. We're expensive. I maybe want to sell, but I don't know. This will tell me if I want to sell. or if I want to buy. If I see sellers losing and we are in value area high, then I don't want to sell. Yes, you have. How are you, Bubbles? Maybe we can. Are you in the Discord channel? Yes, the current POC moved up, brother. Yeah, I see. Value is building longer. And nice. I know Fab use limit order trend. What about you? Yeah, I also want to use limit order. The thing is, it's super slow to trade on top step. I have to enter and it takes a long time. But when I transition to this and trade here, I will use stop orders. So it takes with me if the market goes in my direction. A lot of sell absorption. Yeah, so not looking at your left. Left is, it builds your narratives. Right shows you if you want to take the trade. Like, look at left. We are in value area high. Okay. So we are expensive, but then we look on the right side. This shows me sellers are getting shit on. So in other words, are we really expensive or will we go higher? And here's another clue. Value is building higher. You see? It's building higher and higher. POC is going higher. This means, well, most likely we will go up to POC if we break this. I mean left on the 40 range side. I mean left on the 40 range side. Left on the 40 range. You mean? Write to me on Discord, Roton. We can look at it after. Show me delta profile on this consolidation. Damn, what the fuck happened here? Yeah, okay, I have to look at the trading, guys. Mossa, learn from me. The fuck you do? What the fuck? Fitimo break fake out looks for good idea. All right, I took buys, ninja. I took the buys, ninjas. Okay, sure, thank you. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna focus now on trading so I can make something out of this. We have news in 11 minutes, so. Oi, oi, oi. Ah. Okay, we got news 10 minutes. This is going super fast. I think it would be impossible for me to tab over to top step and take a trade. I feel like I will miss all the trades. Looking for some confirmation. I'm waiting for news. Maybe I can get something, but I want something clear. I want to break, for me to be bullish, I want to break this last line of defense. Then up to POC we go. So up here to 25,877. As of now, I'm not bullish until we do that. So I'm just waiting. If we look at the big picture, you know, we can remove this. We have consolidation. We came back. Pushed up. We're back again. So looks like this. And the daily POC is 760. It's up here. Maybe news will show us something clear. Till news release this type of it's pretty much going up and down, up and down. Sure, there was some trades, but if you want something super clear, we have to break this. Or that's what I'm anticipating, at least. I'm not deciding if it will happen or we'll see. If we go lower, we have these zones for defense from the buyers where they might push price up. So okay, now I see where price reacted perfectly. Okay, I should have seen that. I will have it marked out. So this is POC from the previous day to the touch, push. Yeah. Once news release, market came back to normal. Yeah. Value is up here. Top. Okay. Oh, let's just wait. One, two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, it's lower. 1, 2, 1, 2. Six more minutes. I don't think it becomes more clear than this. Look at this sell aggression. We break above this. I'm looking for something to catch up here. Okay, we got some sell aggression here, delta. We got some reaction. Buy aggression. Maybe a small. Let's see if buyers hold it. They are holding. Got shit on, lost. I want to sell at value area high of daily volume profile. Yeah. Let's see. But the new rules on my founder account is not allowing me to take it. Yeah, wait. It's good, bro. You implemented a good rule for yourself. But the new... Oh, you mean on the founder account? You're not allowed to take trades based when there's news? I guess that's because people can like gamble. You buy on one, you sell on the other, and then you make a shit ton of money. Okay. Four minutes. Maybe this could have been a scalp. So entry on here, stop loss below, and say you go for 1, 2, I don't know, 3, 2. Because this seller's trap, buyers are winning. Let's see. Gap fill for continuation push. Let's see if it goes. Maybe come back here, rebalance this gap. No. Maybe now. Rebalance this gap. And then push higher. Up to where sellers had control, which is up here. So rebalance. No. It got shit on. Okay, we got news in 3 minutes. This is where they had control. They're pushing now. Let's see if they push up here. Could be in a scalp. Man, that was a great sell. Yeah. Okay, market is slowing down now before news. Made 800 every day of this week. Half my way on my 100k. Good job, bro. I like it. 800 every day. So you're up, what? 4,000. If you traded 5 days. By the way, okay, this trade would have hit pretty good. First week in profit. Well done, bro. Okay, news in 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Will we get something? Nothing big. Okay, we're back up at POC right now on current day's profile. 60 buyers getting absorbed. Yo, I'm super interested in what's gonna happen if we push above and come up to this high. It rejected current day's POC perfectly. Maybe take some profits. Look at this shit. Oh yeah. What's happening? Sellers getting shit on or what? From what I've seen, every time I see something like this, I lose when I take maybe a buy here. Even if we have some aggressive sellers that are losing, I feel like I lose these trades because no aggression is showing. Okay, now we have some up here, but if we saw something right here, then yeah, that's a different story. So when we don't have buyers present in this idea, confirming it, usually these trades I tend to lose. You can see what happens. 2 sell trade missed. It happens super fast, bro. Let's see. This is good for backtesting purpose. You see? Usually I lose these trades because the buyers are not present in this zone. Obviously, well, maybe wasn't the best place to buy also. How do you set the settings to align both of the charts together? Like you put the line on the left chart and press on the right. You press crosshair. It's the fourth one. So below crosshair, it looks like a fish hook. And below it is a zoom. Be trying long. I want to see something. Oy, oy, oy. I mean, I'm looking here. Break above here. We have this huge sell aggression. That's defending. We also have this. Ultimately, if we break above here, maybe an early entry would have been something. If we take a buy stop above here, maybe. I don't know. It feels. It's POC also. No, POC is lower now. Yeah, I'm waiting till we break this. Then it's super clear. But maybe it could have been an early entry here. Let's see. Let's risk. Be trying long. Break even. Nice, bro. Second small win of the day. Nice. I haven't taken any trades. Took a sell from value very high. Clean. What's up, Dark? Guys, it looks like a range. Just a sloping range. It's going higher and higher. Maybe not. You see the value? So trap by sellers again. Back to POC. Where's POC? Up here. 722. Trap sellers. Is it now we turn bearish? We go down to where's Pock? Why is it not showing? There. So here we go. Buyers, sellers. I think I'm gonna be too slow to take this. Yeah. I was too slow to take trade here. Maybe let me see something like this. Wait, let me see where we can enter and take. Wait, where is Pock? I hate that I have to fucking navigate between this shit. Nah, I don't know. I wouldn't take this. Well, here is Pock. What prop do you prop from the I think my funded futures. Maybe that. I'm gonna transition to them, I think. Anything that I can trade with on top deep charts, to be honest. I really don't. And obviously the rules has to make sense. Not some bullshit like Apex where they trail you stop loss when you are in profit. That's some shit. Okay, we are in value area low on the current day's profile. Volume value is up. Thus, we tested previous day value area low right here at exactly to the point here. Trapped sellers, buyers winning. Feels like catching a knife here. So I don't think I will fight the overall move because it's obviously bearish. Maybe if we yeah, something like this. I have to stop trying to take trades like that. I know what I want to look for. Buyers winning, sellers losing. Now I'm getting the urge to like, because here was my, I thought I'd take this trade. I don't know. Feels like it's still catching the knife. Might be. We're not catching the knife. Very obviously invalidated these guys. And okay, this trade would have hit, but I've lost quite a lot on these type of trades. Because I don't see any aggressive buyers here. Confirming anything. Sure, we got the push up here. But where are they here? Nowhere. Okay, where might sellers step in? Look at this buy aggression. Add value area low from current previous days. Look at this. Okay, we are at a low volume node right now. Big squeeze above. Now I like it. Now I really like it. Look at this. We go above here. These guys most likely have to cover themselves. And I am up now. Now I like it. I'm putting myself to break even now. Letting it ride. Go to the moon if you want. Stop by above here. Okay, I'm break even. Now just go. Go. How much are we up? I want to see my risk. I'm not gonna greed. That's not also nice. What is this? 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3. Cover yourself below here. Yeah, I think. Trap buyers now. Let me see. Yeah, I'm taking my profits on 1 to 3. Why should I greed? That's good. Good. First trade, win. Obviously, you can risk it and hold, but I don't. As soon as you see buyers that gets absorbed here, nah. Okay. One trade plus 40. Amazing. $40. Building it slowly. This is pinpoint. Perfect. Trap sellers. Buyers. Stop above. Push. Okay. Here we have sellers again. That trap. They have to cover themselves. Push. Squeeze. Where are we now? Oh, okay. This is an important zone because now we are up. They got absorbed, so sellers will most likely come in here. Now I'm gonna wait till we push above, maybe here, and then I go for another long. Aggressive buyers above. Next zone. We also have this sell aggression. This is the defense lines from the sellers. If we push above this, then we might get the take profit from Friday take profit at composition profile. However, we have a fat high volume load here, so we have to come through that also. But let's see. Trap buyers at top. Buyers are losing, sellers are stepping in. Where did they have control? Buyers here. Okay, let me remove this. Nobody gives a shit about this right now. Battle is below. Okay, Here's the battle. If sellers okay, if they lose this, we will go. Oh shit. Where did they after that have control? Here. Wanna know a funny thing? I was up $80 on my trade. When I took profits, it came out as 40. And it was one contract only. For some reason, I lost like, I lost half of it for some fucking reason. Can't be that commission is $40. Then there's something wrong with this fucking plot pattern. Bottom. Yeah. No, for real now. I was up $80. I took profit. And I'm now watching the profit. Not even $40. $38.26. And it's one trade only. For today. I haven't taken anything else. And I made fucking... Yeah, make that make sense. I swear, when I pressed to kill the trade, it said $78, and then it came out as 38. So it's bottom step. Okay, can we get this so I can look for something? So poke up there, that's it. I really like this one. This trade was very good. This is the trades that I'm trying to only take. Only this. And obviously some S. But, yeah. How many times in a week you want to stream? 5. All days. Except obviously the weekend. All trading days. I have a lot of other stuff on the side. I have a master's degree that I'm pursuing. I have another business with about something else. This is purely hobby, and also something I really enjoy and like. Obviously, this can be my only job in the future, but yeah, I got a lot of other stuff right now. Thank you. No worries, bro. I hope you guys learn a lot from the streams. It's like you're doing back testing, to be honest, or forward testing. You're testing, but through me. How much do you make daily roughly, and how much do you risk? Oh yeah. When I traded this week, I made 150 every day. I risked $25, $30 per trade. So yeah. But I had on Wednesday, I was so mad with Top Step because of issues. I wanted to like get rid of this account, so I started to scalp with I wanted to gamble the account, so I just entered shit to just get rid of it. I was so frustrated, so yeah, it lost me $750 on the account. But now I'm back on building it, and it's only been green days. 117 yesterday, break even. Today plus $40. It's going slowly. How much? Yes, yeah, you're doing big favor to your thing. All right, nice, bro. What is the trade behind this trade you've taken? We came from value area low. So you see, first look at the left side. We came from here on yesterday's profile. However, I wanted to see them invalidate these sellers first, which we did. But I wanted also to see some aggressive buyers here. We did not see anything, so I didn't take anything here. However, when we come up here, this is a reload zone. Aggressive sellers, aggressive buyers. It's a super tight compression zone. So the battle of order is right here. I put a stop order right above here because these sellers have to cover themselves if we go higher. Yeah, and then I enter stop loss below and take profits here. On the first sign of weakness from buyers. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, same idea here also. Look at this. Buyer stop, sellers on the bottom. I'm interested in this. I'm not telling anyone to take these trades, but I'm just showing what I'm gonna do. Because we broke above last line of defense from the sellers. This might be a loss, this might be a win, who knows. But the idea is if buyers push above here, they reload, this guy will cover. And I'm aiming for POC up here. But we still also have, yeah, there's still some stuff up here. Yeah. You see, I haven't entered anything. Now I stop buy above here. This is what I'm doing. But please don't take the same trade as I do now. It might lose. I don't have statistics. And yeah. It might flick above, go back lower now. Now that I look at it. How big of account? Just a 50k. Nothing big. 50k account. I'm gonna risk my profits on this trade. Let's see if we push above here. The stop loss is gonna be quite big then. Not good. What's up, Aden? Let's see. I don't know where to cover myself on this trade, to be honest. It's not so... Maybe here. It doesn't look the best right now. Super late. Oh, it's fine, bro. It wasn't so impressive a session today, but we took one trade only. And we won on it. This might be the second trade. The thing is, we might get a failed auction right above here. If we go above here and then go back lower. But I'm gonna risk my profits now. So why don't we see you using delta profile? On the right side, yeah. Sometimes wait, do you mean wait, I am using delta profile, like I can put it like here if I just want to see the swing, and then when the price is falling, I want to see where to enter. I just plot here, and then I take it away. That's all. I'm not so interested in it right here. Let me just fix something. Okay. Let's see how the trade goes. I'm gonna cover myself actually below this that they plotted, so it won't be so big of a risk. 2800. This is not good sign. 805. Okay, I'm risking my profits. Trap buyers at the top. No good sign. This is not good. Might be a loss. Let's see. I'm covering myself just below here. Look at this gap. $806. My bad. Let me just fix this. So, okay, I have good. Okay, the trade is going good. Nice. I hope everyone saw this. Even if this might be a win, I'm still advising you guys, don't take my trades. I'm just showing what I've learned. My aim is up here to 876. And I'm putting myself to break even right now. No need to risk. If we fail here, it's not the best guess. How much are we up? I can't even press on this shit. 1, 2, 3. This could be a good profit. But if you want to go for the hero, by all means, guys, good luck. I'm gonna take profits if we don't break above here right now. If we don't break above here, I'm taking profits. Okay, I'm scaling just below it. My stop loss is, yeah, I'm gonna keep it tight. So I'm securing. Okay. What a beautiful trade. I like it. I don't want to give back too much, so I'm de-risking now. And I'm gonna kill the trade now. It's fine. 1 to 4. I like it. Very nice. That's it. I'm in on this. Nice, guys. Up here to 876 is a good aim. I took my profits there because I'm not gonna greed. 1 to 4 is fine for me. When is your birthday, bro? Why, bro? I send you a DM, brother. After New Year's and when you have time, please help me. Yeah, sure, I can help. You see that they are struggling now? I'm not telling anyone to take profits or do anything. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but best aim up to poke. That's my best tip here. That's a 1 to 6. That's fucking good trade, but 1 to 4 also good. Left side indicator name. Deepcharts. Deep effort, I think that's the thing you mean, right? Is Deepcharts or Atlas better, and do you either have automated trading? Atlas is more robust, Deepcharts is more clean. Where is the last line of defense came from? Here, bro. I'm gonna show you. So you can take it to say from here. Look at this. You see that? You see? Okay, I'm starting to point, bro. You see here? Look at this shit. Super clear, bro. And now look at this sell aggression. If this sell aggression breaks, if we go higher, push, 100%. Okay, no, not 100%. Don't listen. 1 to 4, nice. Trail and stuff and got a good job, bro. It's a good trade. Can do a video explain left side indicator. I have no idea how his deep effort stuff works. No idea, brother. I'm gonna be honest. Where is it? 76, 700, 876. Nah, I'm done for this. I really don't want to take trade. I'm starting to feel the urge for taking more, and that's not good. I'm up 101 on the day. Oh, okay, I like this. Trade above, reach, poke. But what is the risk for this? This is like nothing. Not even 1-to-1. Nah, no good trade. He said 100%. No. Chill, bro. See, did we hit poke? Let me just see if we hit poke. See if it broke sellers. Last night it became, yeah. Exactly. Sellers have to cover themselves. Like it's there was, yeah, in short support. No, I'm asking that 5-minute short. There's no indicator here. This is only composition profile, daily volume profiles. That's all. And guys, we are up at POC, so I'm done for today and done for the week because there's nothing more to trade here, except you see here. Usually big players take profit, so we might get the move lower, but I'm not gonna. That's fighting the trend, and yeah, I'm not gonna trade that. Do you know what the actual odds to hit POC on Fridays? I don't know. You saw that we called it previously before the session started. I said that Fabio says that usually we hit composition profile on Fridays. It happened again because they usually take profit. I don't know how much the odds are, but nah, I don't know. I'm not gonna say something that's not correct. Like it has no date on it. Okay. I accidentally took a little entry here, but it went little lower and I killed it, so I was negative $3. Okay, that's fine. I won $100 today, and I'm done trading this week. So let's stop this account. This is good. Getting back my loss that I did on Wednesday. Plus 150, 150, 150, $10 minus 750, 117 plus 100. Oh, it's okay. How to do you know? Okay, how to plot charts like that? That's the thing. There's a template on Deepcharts. Daily volume profile in a vertical line. Oh, the composition profile. Or do you mean like these? There's a template on my Discord. If you have Deepcharts, you can go and take it. That's it. If you have Atlas, a guy has published a similar profile, similar thing there you can use. Or write me on Discord. We can figure it out also. This is no problem. Okay, to finish the stream, here was today's trades. First trade, 1 to 3. No, it was a little lower, right? Somewhere here. Second trade, same. Where the fuck was it? Was it here? No, it was here, right? Yeah, it was here. One to 4, right? Yeah, up there. 2 trades. That's it. Okay, I will take them. Okay, nice, bro. You're such a good trader. This shit is inspiring. I'm not good trader, bro. I'm also learning. Trust me, I have flaws, bro. It shows every previous day. Yes, it exactly does. No, but for real, Sam, I'm not I'm not where I want to be. I have flaws also. Yes, after I taken this boot camp and it became so much better. I've traded this founder account. If you erase that day that I lost because I was frustrated with Top Step, then I would have had one, two, three, four, 5 winning days out of 7. Yes, bro, you do too, but still inspiring like I wish. Okay. I wish I had the money to get. You can write. Okay, I'm not gonna say because I don't want any problems from the legal side. I'm not promoting anything, but write to me on Discord. Yeah. I'm just saying I'm not selling anything, just so you guys know. I don't have anything like that. All right, this looks good. Okay, guys, thank you for today. Good luck if you're gonna trade. My best bet: we get some consolidation up here and then we push lower. They take profit. Good luck and thank you for this week. See you next week. All right, bye bye everyone.